Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give information about the Amazon Fire TV stick issue and the solution for that also. For this you have to watch the video till the end. So let's begin. This is my TV and I'm switching it on now. See, let's wait. See, this is the message I'm getting on TV, and if you wait till 10 minutes or so, you won't get directed to Fire TV stick. So I have called 1 week before to Amazon customer care. They said to wait for 1 week because they are resolving the issue in the back end. But after 1 week also same problem I have faced. So called them again, and now they said to buy third generation Amazon Fire TV stick and they'll refund the amount also for me. So I have purchased it for 2999 rupees and I'm getting the refunded amount for the same. Here I'm giving the link in my description also for you to buy, and you can also get refunded for the same. I'm attaching the mail also for your information. This is the message, means mail I have got from Amazon customer care. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit a like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.